Need it now? Own it now. Equipnet's purchasing channel, Own It Now, allows you to compete against the clock and other prospective buyers to purchase listings instantly with no negotiation or bidding with a simple click. The Own It Now platform showcases a variety of listings that each feature their own time decrement and pricing. As the time drops, so does the price. So make sure you own it now before someone else beats you to it. You can also set a proxy amount so that the system will own it now on your behalf once the pricing meets that amount. So if you hit the Own It Now button or your proxy amount is reached, the listing is yours. You can buy as many listings as you like, and at the end of the day, Equipnet will send out one consolidated invoice. So don't take your eyes off the clock, because those listings will either be bought by your competitor or disappear from the site. Visit equipnet.com/ownitnow and see how Equipnet is revolutionizing the way you buy pre-owned equipment.